This is DL Adventures. We found that this buggy is good to go now, and it just got in the grass, and we're not supposed to get in the grass, so let me take that out, because these things can't go backwards. I'll put this down.
So we're testing it, our settings.
It's crazy. Like, this is only half speed. I'll show you. Just 1 second. That's only half speed. I'll show you full speed. That's half speed. Again, brakes, brakes, brakes. This is full speed. That was full speed.
So what do you think about the adjustments we made
I really
to
like
the
it.
trim? Is
This
it
thing's
tracking
so
straight?
cool. This thing's so cool. I like it.
So what do we have to do still? We have to rebuild the shocks
Yeah,
and
but
tune them, but it's still good to go for right now.
The silver springs and golden.
Yeah, we're gonna change the shock package some and check some of the settings. We'll have to do some tuning at the track, but it's up and running, isn't it?
Yep.
So tell everybody what it is. What kind of buggy is it?
It's a 4-wheel drive 8-scale version 4.
Oh, it's a Tekno
Yeah, it's a Tekno.
EB48.4. It is cool.
Oh, that made dust.
It did. Well, we're testing it on concrete with some practice tires.
But that's crazy.
That
On
is
concrete
crazy.
dust? Wait, did they see that on camera?
Yeah, they will.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna post this and we'll test out what it looks like with the shell in a little bit. Okay, we are good.
All right, let's take it over to the garage.
Okay, say bye. This is a quick update video.
Yeah, but then we'll put the shell on and do the rest of the video.
Yep.